Can I see?
Is this a hair?
That's not the hair.
What is that?
Okay, how about we open now? I wait. I'm thinking where I can open. Here. You have to pull this one. Ooh.
Open it.
Open it. Yay!
Open it. How to open the fridge? Wait. This?
Yeah.
Wait.
Wait. I'll check.
이걸로 해주십시오. 아니요, 제가 살게요. 이런 날 대접받는 건 특권이야. 마음껏 누려.
손님.
Wait, mommy will lift it up because maybe it will be broken. There's no tape. Yay!
Open it.
Wow!
Let's open the glass thing.
Wait, it's here.
Wait.
Oh, wait, don't pull it. Just like this. Ooh. Oh, wait, don't pull it. Slowly. Yay, what color is it?
It's this
Baby pink?
baby pig. Let's show the
Oh, Ate's in the bathroom. Wow!
My new iPad.
Your iPad?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, my iPad.
But I need to buy you first.
Huh?
I need to buy for you a cover.
Wait, that one, the pink cover.
Yes, the pink cover because I don't want it to be
Broken.
scratched and broken.
Yesterday when I'm eating like the skin of the cover, like it's I eat it.
Can I see? Can I open?
Yeah. Let's see.
거기까지 미처 생각 못했어.
Okay.
다음부턴 주의하도록 하자.
iPad.
Oh.
Open iPad.
Are you happy?
Yeah. iPad.
역시
What's writing?
내가 이럴 줄
It's
알았어.
loading. It's
얼마나
loading.
냄새가 난다 했어. 이러려고 헤어지자고 한 거야? 넌 다 계획이 있었다.
네가 왜 또 여기 있어?
쟨 왜 여기 있는데?
We make a better color.
당신 누구야? 그쪽은 누구지? 나? 사랑이 남자친구.
네가 왜 내 남자친구야?
I will buy cover for you.
전
Yeah,
남자친구.
the pink.
The
내가
pink.
Yeah, that is my favorite color.
Oh, what do you want to check in your iPad?
How to download YouTube or Facebook.
없다고 생각해.
Facebook and YouTube. Okay, I help you.
이 정도
Yeah, how to download YouTube and Facebook.
걔는 자존심
Okay, I get you YouTube and Facebook.
Because although my iPad has YouTube and Facebook, like I can take a picture.
말로 해서 안 되면
On your iPad.
Okay.
Someone eat the apple? Who eat the apple?
I don't know.
It's not me.
It's not me either.
Wait, is this a magic?
Neither me. I don't know who ate the apple. I think it's I think maybe Ate she ate the apple.
Oh. No, it's a clown.
Clap.
No. So it is a apple.
Apple.
Yeah, so it is apple.
Can we see now? I give you YouTube and iPad. Okay. What do you say?
Thank you, mommy.
Love you.
I love you.